Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Dr. Shabazz here. So in this video, you will learn how to perform item total correlation and alpha if item deleted analysis in R. These two reliability diagnostics help researchers evaluate the quality of individual questionnaire items and identify items that may weaken the internal consistency of a measurement scale. So in this tutorial, you will learn what item total correlation means, how to identify weak or problematic questionnaire items, what alpha if item deleted means, how to decide whether an item should be retained or removed, and how to perform and interpret these analyses in R. So this tutorial is useful for students, researchers, and academicians so that they can perform the item total correlation and item if deleted in R. So first of all, we import our dataset in R to perform the both analysis. So in this way, I just give dataset to ChatGPT and request for coding. So we have a data of 20 responses and we will check the reliability of 5 survey items of green employee involvement. So first we will import dataset in R. We copy this command and then paste in R and press enter. So you will see the dialog box open and you will select your dataset and then click open. So dataset has been opened in R. So you can see we have 20 responses and there are 5 survey items of green employee involvement. Okay, so we have successfully imported data. So before conducting the analysis, we need to consult our PowerPoint presentation because we are doing item total correlation and alpha if item deleted. So we are evaluating whether each item contributes meaningfully to the reliability of a scale or not. So we will done corrected item total correlation, coronaback alpha and item removal decision. So in this way, the analysis asks whether each item belongs to the scale or not. Corrected item total correlation. Does each item correlate with the total score computed without that item? And alpha if item deleted. Would cronback alpha improve if a particular item were removed? So our research question will be, do all items contribute adequately to the reliability of the green employee involvement scale or not? So we will see common guidelines. Corrected item total correlation should be or equal to 0.3 is often acceptable. Alpha if deleted higher than overall alpha signals possible improvement. Very high alpha may indicate redundancy. So now we have a data set and we will see and interpret the corrected item total correlation carefully because interpretation bands the value should be equal or greater than 0.50. Strong contribution. However, the value 0.30 to 0.49 acceptable contribution. 0.20 to 0.29 review carefully and less than 0.20 possibly problem item. Okay, so we also see alpha if item deleted shows the effect of removing an item. Reliability of the complete scale, reliability after removing one item at a time. So deleted alpha overall alpha item may reduce internal consistency. We will review it. And deleted alpha equal or less than overall alpha. So we will measure item doesn't improve alpha by removal. So now we will perform the both analysis in R. So we see the next coding. We select the all 4 items to perform analysis on them. So we will paste the command here and R is selected for analysis and now we load both packages in R before conducting the analysis. We will paste it and then press enter. So both packages have been done in R. So next we will calculate the total item total correlations. We will copy this correlation and then paste the command here. So you can see here, we get the results here. You can see item raw, item total correlation. There is a correlation for green imply involvement item 1 0.93, item 2 0.87, item 3 0.81, item 4 0.87, and item 5 0.88. And corrected item total correlation also higher than the threshold value. So there is also standardized item total correlation. We check here, all values are higher than 0.7, 0.5 as per our threshold criteria, you can see here. So it means there is a good reliability. So now we will check. Okay, now we will perform calculate alpha item if deleted. So we will copy this command and then paste in our, press enter. So in this way we found that alpha if deleted results. So there are 5 survey items, and you can see here, if this item will be deleted from the model, so we will have the alpha change to this one. So in this way we need to remove the highest alpha value item, because if we delete this item, so it means the reliability of the model will increase. As well, we can see this is higher if we delete this item. So in this way the reliability of the model will increase further. So in this way we see the item if deleted, and we require the Cronbach alpha. So next we display the overall Cronbach alpha for the whole scale of imply involvement. We copy this command and then press enter. So in this way we get overall Cronbach alpha, which is 0.9258445, and in case of standardized alpha there is also a 0.9265862. so it means the value of Cronbach alpha is higher than 0.7. So there is a good reliability of the scale. So in this way we find the item total correlation and alpha if deleted item analysis in R. If you find my video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.